Hello, I'm JW. This is just a notification that if you've got one of these, or one like it, this is a Fluke T130 and it applies to the T110 and the T150 as well, then a whole load of these have been recalled by Fluke due to a safety issue with these. Now there is a website which we'll have a look at here, and address for this is actually on the screen, and also in the link to it is in the description to this video. So essentially it's covering the Fluke T110, the Fluke T130 and the Fluke T150. It applies to anything that was manufactured up to July 2018, and it covers any serial number from 2157 up to and including 4352. So if you have one of these that's between those serial numbers and was manufactured before July 2018, then it is going to be affected by this recall. The issue in question is detailed here. And essentially it's that the cable that connects the two parts may fail, and most important is this piece here, that it may fail in an intermittent fashion, which basically means that, as it says in the bold bit here, that a false negative may lead to an electric shock or arc flash, and that could of course cause injury or even death. So please immediately stop using this item and follow the instructions below. The instructions below are essentially to fill out a form. They'll send you a label to return the thing to them, and then they'll send you a replacement product, which of course does not have the particular problem with that. So if you've ever got one of these or one like it, then do go and check the serial number on the back, and if it was manufactured before July this year, then it's fairly likely it's going to be included in this recall. If it is one of those, then you should of course return it and get the replacement product.